Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is financial management statement. हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग होता है वित्तीय प्रबंधन विवरण. This topic is most important for your preparation, for your selection. Without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 is, if the present value of cash inflows are greater than the present value of cash outflows, the project would be. Here option A is accepted, B is rejected with condition, C is rejected with approval, and D is rejected. Here option A is the right answer, that is accepted. If the present value of cash inflows are greater than the present value of cash outflows, the project would be accepted. Next question is, finance functions are. Here option A is planning for funds, B is raising of funds, and C is allocation of resources. Here option D is the right answer, that is all of the above. Finance functions are planning for funds, raising of funds, and allocation of resources. So option D is the right answer, that is all of the above. Next question is, match the following. List 1 में है type of value, list 2 में है features. Here option A में है fair value, B में है replacement value, C में है value of image, and D में है market value. Here first में है goodwill, second में है to set up a new plant, third में है consumable items, and D is wastage. Friends, here correct match is fair value के साथ मैच होगा फर्स्ट वाला, that is goodwill. रिप्लेसमेंट वैल्यू के साथ मैच होगा टू सेट अप अ न्यू प्लांट, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ इमेज के साथ मैच होगा कंज्यूमेबल आइटम्स, एंड मार्केट वैल्यू के साथ मैच होगा वेस्टेज. सो दिस इज करेक्ट मैच ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ascertain A. Special rules and producers and procedures are followed in the import and export trade. Ascertain A में बोल रहा है कि special rules and procedures are followed in the import and export trade. रीजन जो आर है उसमें बोल रहा है the need for import and export trade is explained by the principles of comparative cost theory. Here option A is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. B is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Here option A is the right answer, that is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Next question is, match the following. List 1 में items है और list 2 में है part. Dividend will match with 3, that is पोर्शन ऑफ प्रॉफिट. डिविडेंड में क्या होता है? पोर्शन ऑफ प्रॉफिट. स्टॉक में क्या होता है? स्टॉक विल मैच विद फर्स्ट, दैट इज पोर्शन ऑफ करंट एसेट्स. एंड रिजर्व के साथ क्या होता है? रिजर्व विल मैच विद फोर्थ, दैट इज सरप्लस. एंड डेप्रिसिएशन विद मैच विद चार्जेस अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट. सो डिविडेंड विल मैच विद प्रॉफिट, पोर्शन ऑफ प्रॉफिट. स्टॉक विल मैच विद first, that is portion of current assets, and reserve will match with surplus, and depreciation will match with the charges against profit. So this is the correct match of question number 5. Next question is, the relationship between the cost of equity and financial leverage in accordance with proposition second can be expressed by. The relationship between the cost of equity and financial leverage in accordance with proposition second can be expressed by. Here option A is R is equal to equity oblique 100. B is R is equal to equity slash debit multiply by 100, and C is R E is equal to R0 plus within bracket R0 minus RD, उसके बाद में फिर ब्रैकेट है 1 minus TC. So this is the correct answer of this question number 6. Next question is the call option value of a callable bond. The call option value of callable bond is likely to be high when. Here option A is interest rates are volatile. Volatile क्या होता है? Meaning of volatile is परिवर्तनशील. ठीक है, यानी कि चेंज होने वाले जो है, चेंज हो सके जो. द कॉल ऑप्शन वैल्यू ऑफ ए कॉलेबल बॉन्ड इज लाइकली टू बी हाई व्हेन. हियर ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर, इंटरेस्ट रेट्स आर वोलेटाइल. Next question is, a project's profitability index is equal to, a project's profitability index is equal to the ratio of the dash of a project's future cash flows to the project's dash. A project's profitability index is equal to the ratio of the dash of a project's future cash flows to the project dash. Here answer is present value initial cash outlay. Option A is present value initial cash outlay. A project's profitability index is equal to the ratio of the present value of a project's future cash flows to the project's initial cash outlay. So option A is the right answer. Next question is, earning yield computed by. Earning yield is computed by, here option C is here option A is the right answer, that is EPS स्लैश करंट मार्केट प्राइस पर शेयर. अर्निंग यील्ड जो होती है वो कंप्यूटेड कैसे होती है, ईपीएस ओब्लिक करंट मार्केट प्राइस पर शेयर. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल इनफ्लोज आर, द प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल इनफ्लोज आर cumulated in, here option C is the right answer, that is order of time. The present value of all inflows are cumulated in order of time. Option C is the right answer, that is order of time. The present value of all inflows are cumulated in order of time. Next question is, match the following. So list 1, list 2, capital budgeting decision will match with fixed assets. Cash position ratio will match with liquid ratio. EOQ will match with inventory control, and D will match with fourth, that is cost of capital will match with issue expenses. Next question is, match the following. List 1 function of treasury, list 2 elements. Cash इसमें है ऑप्शन ए जो है, that is cash management. Cash management will match with first, that is cash reserve ratio. Credit management will match with average collection period. Security will match with safe custody, and financial planning will match with capital structure. So this is the correct match of this question. Next question is, the cost of debit capital is calculated on the basis of, here answer is option B, that is annual interest. The cost of debit capital is calculated on the basis of annual interest. Next question is, A within bracket N dash would be an example of a principal while A and dash would be an example of an agent. Here A shareholder would be an example of principal, while an manager would be an example of an agent. So friends, this is the correct match of this question number, means option A is the right answer. Next question is, degree of combined leverage can be obtained by, here answer is option A, that is EBIT plus fixed cost slash EBIT minus total interest expense. So friends, you have a great need to learn this formula. Degree of combined leverage can be obtained by EBIT plus fixed costs oblique EBIT minus total interest expense. Next question is question number 16, that is match the following. List 1 में है subject, list 2 में है area. Here A will match with first, यानी कि फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग विल मैच विद एंट्रीज इन द जर्नल. फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट विल मैच विद कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल. मैनेजमेंट विल मैच विद प्लानिंग, एंड मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट विल मैच विद मार्केट रिसर्च. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच इज कॉल्ड एज डिविडेंड रेशियो मेथड. हियर ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज डिविडेंड यील्ड मेथड. विच इज कॉल्ड एज डिविडेंड रेशियो मेथड. डिविडेंड यील्ड मेथड इज कॉल्ड एज डिविडेंड रेशियो मेथड. Dividend yield method is called as dividend ratio method. Next question is, return on equity ratio is compared as. Return on equity ratio is compared as, here option A is the right answer, that is equity oblique ROA. Return on equity ratio is compared as, option A is the right answer, that is equity oblique ROA. Next question is, match the following. List 1 में items, list 2 में है features. Here capital structure will match with financial leverage. Dividend policy will match with annual dividend. Marketing management will match with 4P. Stock will match with current assets. So this is the correct match. Next question is the relationship between the financial leverage and firm's required rate of return to equity shareholders with corporate taxes is given by the, here option B is the right answer, that is by E is equal to RO plus D slash E within bracket 1 minus TC bracket R0 minus RB. This is the correct answer of question number 20. Friends, यू कैन रिवाइज दिस क्वेश्चन 2 or 3 times बिकॉज हमारे पास तो टाइम कम है, इसलिए जो है हम वीडियो को ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं बना सकते, लेकिन आपके पास ऑप्शन है कि आप 2-3 बार जो है इनको रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, देयर इज नो डाउट दैट दिस क्वेश्चंस आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन. यू कांट स्किप दिस टॉपिक बिकॉज दिस टॉपिक जो है इसका वेटेज जो है कितना है, it contains 30 marks in your exams. The weightage of this topic in your exam is 30 marks. So you have a great need to revise these questions. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all latest notifications. Friends, आपकी सब्सक्रिप्शन ही है जो हमें जो है पॉजिटिविटी देती है अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस बनाने के लिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स. Prepare well, perform well. Thanks. Bye bye.